Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's tutorial, it's all about how to transfer your money from your bank account to your Gcash account. So let's start. So first, you have to open your Metrobank application. It cannot be done sa website. Dito lang siya magagawa sa Metrobank app. So there will be a short notice. Of course, you have to put your username and then your password. When you created your Metrobank online account, there will be a username and a password. For security purposes, I cover the information. Okay, so once you're done, tap on login. And then let's wait for a while. It will be routed to this page where you can see your account information, balance, account number, and everything. Tap on transfer to other bank. Then let's wait again. Select InstaPay. Tap on InstaPay, the first option. Select one-time transfer. And then you have on the bank, you have to select Gcash. Hanapin natin yung Gcash. Ito siya. And then you have to put your information like your Gcash account number, your beneficiary. I just put individual, your first name, middle name, last name, and then address, your address, and your purpose of the transaction. So let's just fill out these informations here. After nyo po ma-fill out lahat ng information na needed, all you have to do is to tap on next. And then you have to review if correct po ba lahat ng na-fill out na information. And you will be routed right here where you have to select the source account for your fund transfer. You have to select your bank. And then after you select your bank, you will be routed here. You have to fill up transfer details, which is the amount that you will be transferring to your Gcash account. Let's take for an example 500. After that, tap on next. So let's wait for a while. Then please ensure all information is correct. Source is yung bank account nyo, recipient yung Gcash number, and the amount. After that one, there will be a one-time password sent to your mobile number, which is the registered mobile number upon opening your account. And if in case na nawala yung mobile number ninyo na to, you have to go to the branch where you open your account for you to change it. So once you got the one-time password, all you have to do is to click on submit. After that, you will be receiving a message that there will be a process payment, and once it's successful, you will also receive from your bank a success message that the transfer was successful, and also the recipient will be able to receive a notification that the funds has been transferred successfully. So I think that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you. Bye. Adios.